Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
Fed hikes interest rates, Ripple partner and Wells Fargo work on swift replacement. 100 million XRP grabbed by whale contents. Bitcoin unfazed as Fed hikes interest rates for the first time since 2018. Ripple partner and Wells Fargo collaborating on swift replacement. 100 million XRP purchased by whale as coin consolidates. Cardano reaches new scaling milestone, ADA price yet unmoved. Here are the top 4 news stories over the past day presented to you by you today. Bitcoin unfazed as Fed hikes interest rates for the first time since 2018. After the Bank of England raised rates by 25 basis points, another banking system across the pond, the Federal Reserve, decided to raise interest rates for the first time since 2018. Bitcoin sank almost 1.5% on the news, but the flagship crypto has quickly recovered and, according to CoinMarketCap data, is trading at $40,896. The central bank intends to raise interest rates steadily throughout 2022 and will continue adapting its policy to the changing economic environment. Ripple partner and Wells Fargo collaborating on swift replacement. According to its official documents, Ripple partner company, the Clearing House, is currently working on the development of a cross-border payments system that could potentially replace SWIFT in collaboration with Wells Fargo. The system is called Real-Time Payments, RTP. The service would allow for real-time transfers of digital currency between eligible Wells Fargo accounts. It includes real-time postings, immediate confirmation and a secure two-way messaging service. 100 million XRP purchased by whale as coin consolidates. Yesterday, Whale Alert Tracking Service detected a massive volume of coins wired from a major exchange to an unmarked wallet. The anonymous wallet received 100 million XRP, or $74 million in the fiat equivalent. The wallet constantly redistributes received funds to smaller entities, but it is not tied to any other exchange or an OTC trading desk. The address in question may be owned by large private investors rather than centralized or decentralized services. Cardano reaches new scaling milestone, ADA price yet unmoved. Good news from Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson. In his recent tweet, he shared that almost a year after the original paper's publication, the first Hydra heads had launched on the public Cardano testnet. Hydra Heads is a crucial building block that exploits the capabilities of the UTXO model to enable more complicated solutions on top of it. However, despite Cardano reaching such a significant milestone, the ADA price doesn't seem to be affected. The asset is currently changing hands at 84 cents, down 73% from its all-time high of $3.10. Ripple to give out 1 billion XRP in developer grants. The first 2 waves of the XRPL grant have offered $6 million in funding to 50 open-source projects built on the XRP ledger. Ripple, XRP, the enterprise payment technology company, plans to give out 1 billion XRP in grants for developers. The newly announced grant is an extension of the company's XRPL grants program, which was launched in 2021. The developer grant would be focused on encouraging open-source projects on the XRP ledger built for enterprise remittance assistance. Ripple has built a strong foothold in the Asia-Pacific region through its XRPL-based remittance technology called RippleNet. RippleNet offers a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange and remittance network with the help of the XRP ledger. The remittance platform has partnered with hundreds of banks to build a payment network of its own. According to the current XRP price, the total value of the grant is about $794 million, out of which the firm has awarded a total of $6 million in funding to over 50 projects to date. The firm would offer financial, technical and business assistance to developers looking to build on XRPL. Related, motions denied for both SEC and Ripple as battle continues. Ripple's new developer grant would be released over the course of the next decade. The firm would conduct a number of boot camps to encourage and onboard developers. The first 2 waves of the XRPL grant were focused on the non-fungible token and federated sidechains, while the third wave aims to onboard open-source projects on its ledger. Despite its ongoing security lawsuit in the United States, Ripple has managed to expand on its cross-border payment technology outside the US. Ripple's remittance technology has become quite popular in the past few years, owing to its advantages of lower costs and more instantaneous transactions than the traditional payment gateways. According to a recent report, Ripple partner The Clearing House is in talks with Wells Fargo to develop a SWIFT alternative. Ripple commits 1 billion XRP to grants program, accelerator to advance XRP ledger development designed to scale new projects and use cases built on the XRPL. The fund will support and accelerate the blockchain's developer community. Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, is committing 1 billion XRP to accelerate development and new use cases on the XRP ledger, XRPL. The fund is an extension to the XRPL grants program which launched in 2021 and, to date, has awarded $6 million in total funding to more than 50 open-source projects built on the XRP ledger. Developers on the XRPL want to build and scale their apps on the ledger largely due to its speed, scalability and carbon neutrality. Inspired by the tremendous developer interest garnered from the community-driven XRPL grants program, Ripple will provide financial, technical, and business support to introduce several new developer programs as part of the fund. Over the next 10 to 20 years, the 1 billion XRP, as part of the grants program, will be dispersed to developers eager to build and scale their apps from proof of concept to new businesses on the XRP ledger. The fund's programs are specifically designed to accelerate, train, mentor and scale projects developed by the XRPL community, including Accelerator Program, a multi-month boot camp that will provide projects on the XRPL with business and financial support, training and mentorship. Decentralized Finance, DeFi, a program to support DeFi projects on the XRPL. Diversity and Inclusion, D&I, a fund to work with university partners to build a pipeline of diverse applicants, as well as partnerships with organizations and affiliation groups supporting underrepresented communities in software development. Sustainability, a program to address challenges related to sustainability, for example ESG NFTs, carbon credits tokenization. Expanded Judging Committee, growing the panel of XRPL grants program judges to ensure diverse viewpoints and expertise when evaluating projects. The developer community has seen a tremendous growth and passion for building on the XRP ledger that has only increased since the launch of the XRPL grants program last year, said Monica Long, GM of Ripple X at Ripple. With this new expansion, we are committing to participating in and supporting the developer community long-term. As the community grows, and the infrastructure and apps ecosystem matures, we are also excited about the opportunity for RippleNet customers to benefit from the community's offerings and vice versa. The XRPL grants program furthers Ripple's shared vision with the developer community to help build the Internet of Value by contributing improvements and new use cases to blockchain technology and specifically, the XRPL. The first two waves of the XRPL grants program focused on projects related to NFTs and federated sidechains, respectively. Ripple is a crypto solutions company that transforms how the world moves, manages and tokenizes value to inspire new business models and create more economic opportunity. Our long-term vision is to enable the Internet of Value, where the world moves value like information moves today. Through RippleX, we contribute to accelerating the Internet of Value by inspiring and enabling developers to build solutions that use the XRP ledger, its native digital asset XRP, and related technologies. Ripple pledges $800 million worth XRP tokens for native project developers. As part of its active dedication to growing the ecosystem, the popular blockchain company Ripple is giving out 1 billion XRP tokens as a way of supporting project developers who build on its payment-focused ledger. This means that native developers will receive a grant which at press time is worth around $790 million. The funds will be dispersed over the following 10 to 20 years, according to the information acquired by Finbold from the information on March 16. Monica Long, the general manager of the company's open-source development platform XRP Ledger, XRPL, explained the decision to offer the grant was the result of a rising number of developers creating projects there. Ripple's newest funding builds on the grant program for startups that was launched in 2021. Through that program, over 50 open-source projects received over $6 million in financial support. This fund combines an accelerator program, activities in support of decentralized finance, DeFi, and an initiative with universities to promote applications for funding among developers from marginalized communities and backgrounds. Ripple isn't the only blockchain-related company offering funding programs for native project developers, with other examples including Binance and Polygon, Matic. Ripple ecosystem growing in face of regulatory obstacles. It's worth noting that Ripple has earlier announced it was bringing in nearly 4,000 creators under different non-fungible token, NFT, projects through its $250 million worth creator fund. The beneficiaries include various independent creators, such as visual artists, game designers, musicians, and others. Elsewhere, Ripple has grabbed countless news headlines over the past couple of months over the lawsuit brought up by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The lawsuit alleges that the company had sold more than $1.3 billion in unregistered XRP tokens between 2013 and December 2020. At press time, XRP, the cryptocurrency issued and managed by Ripple Labs Incorporated, traded at 79 cents, a 7.59% increase from 7 days before, when the price of the token was 73 cents, according to CoinMarketCap data.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.